The disassembly and evaluation process is done in a very particular way. The unit is transported to the module where it's going to be worked on. It's fully documented and compared to make sure that the work orders match. The work order number is permanently engraved on the component to be able to track during the repairing process. All parts are permanently engraved with a mechanical pencil to make sure that all parts go to their proper location. Using the adequate tools, the engineer slowly proceeds to disassemble the component. As the unit gets disassembled, the engineer takes visual assessments of all the parts. Special tools are used to conduct all steps of this process. As bad parts are found, pictures are taken. Everything is pre-rinsed to be able to evaluate properly. Precise measurements are taken to be able to determine appropriate clearances between parts. Everything must be within specs. Once everything is checked, it is then documented. A parts list of the parts required is compiled and is then turned into the office for quoting purposes.